Hello, Clay Neves here. Man, do I have an exciting day ahead of me. Not only do I get to meet with some great clients today, including Eric Ishimatsu, one of my favorite clients, but I get to attend TLC, one of my favorite networking venues. Club 90, 11:30 to 1 p.m. Bob Bond and his crew have been running that for like 20 years. It's a very established networking group. Very good. Highly recommend it. Secondly, I am going to stay afterwards and give a free seminar for the attendees who want to stay about climbing your needs and benefit ladder, getting from what I call the proximate need and the proximate benefit that everybody talks about, that's obvious to everybody, that sells them in their head but never closes them because nobody makes decisions in their head, and helping you climb the needs ladder to get to more intrinsic needs that you can solve with higher benefits that really start to motivate them in their heart and in their gut, because that's where decisions, and particularly quicker decisions, are made. The next thing we're going to do is we have an exercise where you're going to channel your best clients, and we're going to put you in their heart and in their gut to be able to articulate the pain you solve, the pain that you take away with what you offer. You see, you matter to your clients much more than you think you do. And the better you get at being able to understand their pain and their problems and articulate that as if you were them, the better you're able to articulate your value. And the quicker decisions you can have clients make, prospects make, to use you, because what you do really matters, sometimes a lot more than you think. So I invite you to come and visit us at TLC and stay after. Budget some time. It's going to be very valuable. And I'm just giving it away for free. Oh, by the way, double your money back guarantee, that it'll be amazing for you. So join me afterwards as well for a 1-hour free workshop on climbing the needs and benefit ladder with your clients. Hope to see you there. And believe me, I'm going to have a great day either way. But if you're there, it'll only improve my day, and I think it'll improve yours as well.